Hey my polish peeps, this is Jackie coming to you with another segment of Make Polish with me. I was going to show you a polish that we made through Glitter Unique latest kit, which is called Life of a Polish Maker. Cute kit, I like the name, very cute. I did do a live, I don't know, a week or two ago with that, so you guys can kind of go back and look at that if you'd like. But I thought I would recreate another one of the polishes, and that one was called Abyss Kiss, which is fun. Now in the kits you do get 3 recipes. You get all the ingredients and you get all the bottles and everything to make the recipes and to make the polishes. But I thought I would just kind of zero in on one that's kind of fitting for the season. It's kind of cute. It is this really pretty turquoise green with some lovely shimmer in there and everything, and I just thought it was really pretty. So I thought, let me just recreate that one. Let me see if I can show you on a swatch thing here. Here we go, Abyss Kiss, and here it is. Isn't that pretty? It's very pretty. I love the little different color flakes in there. Very pretty. I like that a lot. Kind of a deep teal, gorgeous for the season. So I thought I would recreate that one. Let's get started to see on what you will need to at least start to make polish. First of all, cover your hands if you want to. Not everyone does that, but I choose to do that. I don't like my hands are getting all yucky. You'll need some stir sticks and some containers to put all your ingredients in. These I get from Amazon. You can just go on Amazon and just look for plastic cups. I like the ones with the spout. It's easier to pour into the bottles, and they do have a measuring on the side there. It's kind of hard to see on this lighting. There we go. And there you go, all up to 50 milliliters. I tend to do the 50 milliliters, and that usually gives me 3.5, 4 bottles of polish, usually 3 right around there. And this is the one we're going to make. Sips and tips, and then that's called Abyss Kiss. Isn't that pretty? I like that a lot. You will also need a base, which is, I always use glitter suspension base from Glitter Unique. I love this suspension base. It's awesome. I use it for everything I make now because I intend to like that one the best, but they do have other ones on there you can use and choose and, you know, see which one works the best for you depending on your recipe. I do tend to use a little thinner. I always have that handy because sometimes when you start adding all those ingredients, things do get thick. I also like to have a swatch wheel so you can kind of monitor what your polishes look like as you go along. You know, do I need to add a little bit more of that because the color's not quite right, and so that's kind of nice to have that, and we will swatch it as we go. In the kit, you do get these little scoops, which are cute. Today I am going to use my own little measuring spoons. Get those from Glitter Unique too, and I think they're so cute, called Dash Pad Drops. I love them. I kind of made my own little recipe for that. Let's see. That's pretty much it. The only thing that we're going to need is the ingredients that you're going to put in here. Here is some of the ingredients that you will need for this particular polish. You will need these gorgeous violet, blue, green UCC Mega Flakes. Stunning. Those are gorgeous. Look at those. So pretty, y'all. You will need this one, Ultra Luxe Chameleon 8. And that's gorgeous also. Really pretty. And you will need ProColor Turquoise Gem. That will give you kind of that color. You'll need all of that. So that's all there is to this one. It's really pretty simple. You only need 3 ingredients. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to put my cup right in the middle here so you all can see. And then we just start adding the ingredients. Let's see. I'm going to do my base. I'm going to fill it all the way up to my 50 milliliters so I have a whole bunch of these, at least 2 or 3. One thing I did forget to mention is all these ingredients are on Glitter Unique. I also do love their bottles because they're fun and they're the matte tops and they're flat, which I like because then you can put one of those little things on the top. They do come with everything in there. The only thing that you would need to purchase separately is the little balls inside, but they do come with the brush and all that wonderful stuff. This is the 15 milliliter one, and they also do have an 8 milliliter one also if you choose to do a smaller version. So I do have my base in here. The recipe calls for a couple scoops of the Ultra Luxe Chameleon Pigment. This stuff is pretty pigmented, so you don't really need a whole lot of this, okay? Otherwise it'll Makes it really thick and it's beautiful. Isn't that pretty? Look at that, y'all. Ooh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. So I am going to use my own, so I'm going to use a pinch. That's what I got here. And we'll see how it works. You just kind of feel it out. And this is pretty pigmented, so I'm say I kind of do a fuller pinch. And we'll do it. We'll see how that looks. And then it also asks for a couple scoops of the violet, blue, green UCC Mega Flakes, which I love this Mega Flakes. They're so pretty. Really, very pretty. I do tend to have quite a few paper towels handy so you can kind of wipe things off as you go. So we're going to add, I'm going to add another, so I really like these flakes because they're gorgeous. Ooh, look at those, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Stunning flakes. Gorgeous. I'm going to add a couple dashes of that. I really do like a lot of the flakes. 2 dashes to see how that looks. I do like a lot of the flakes because their flakes are stunning. All right, I'm going to stir this up. Like I said, they do get kind of thick once you start doing all this stuff, and that's what the thinner is for. And you tend to sometimes need to thin it out, sometimes you don't. You just kind of have to go by how it feels to you when you're stirring it up and making your beauties. It looks pretty so far. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous. And then it says 2 to 3 drops the ProColor Gem. I think on my recipe here I only did 2 drops. And that was all I needed. And that was it for this recipe. It was a really pretty easy recipe. There's 1 drop. And there's 2 drops. That was it. Stir it up. Very pretty. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous color. We'll swatch that in just a second here. So make sure you really stir it well so all that goodness is in your polish. Flakes tend to fly everywhere, so be aware. Flying flakes everywhere. All right, let's swatch that and see what it looks like. See if I need to add anything else to it. I think so, but we'll see. See if we have enough flakes. If not, I can always add more. But I always kind of start off tentatively just in case. We'll let that dry and we'll see if we want to add more flakes. Really pretty. Once again, this is called Abyss Kiss. This is from Life of a Polish Maker kit from Glitter Unique. This was one of their recipes. You can still get that kit. It is on their website, $59 plus shipping. I will put all that information below, and I'll even share the website with you so you can just go on over there and check it out. Isn't that pretty? It's such a pretty color. Such a pretty color. Nice festive color for this time of year. Let that dry a little bit more. And then we'll add a second coat. Okay, so I did go ahead and put a second coat, and look at that, turned out really pretty. And there's the 2 swatches right there. One of the original, one of the other one we just made. Isn't that gorgeous? Such a pretty color, you guys. I really do enjoy that. Love, love, love that color. Very pretty. So we're gonna go and fill these bottles up. I think that's plenty of flakes. It looks really good. I did put quite a few flakes in there. Personally, can never have too many flakes for me, but you know, that's how it works. There you go. Very pretty. And then the more that you know, the 2 coats you put on your nails, you'll have a lot of flakes on that. So let's see. Well, maybe I'll put a few more flakes, just a couple. Shh, don't tell anybody. Just a little bit. Jackie does love a flake. So I'm just going to put one of their little scoops in there. That'll be good, plenty, I think. There we go. All right. Choo, poof. Flying flakes. All right. I think that'll work. I'll just roll that up. Add just a little bit of thinner to make sure it's nice and fluid. Slowly stir that in. Now when I swatched this, it was about 2 to 3 coats on the nail, and it was beautiful. Really pretty color. There we go. That looks good. We are going to pour that in our bottles. Once again, this is from Glitter Unique's kit, Life of a Polish Maker. You can go right on over there and get some of that because it's a really fun kit. You get a lot of fun stuff you can put in there and make your own polishes once you do the recipes and tweak your own and have some really lots of fun. Let's see how many bottles we get out of this one. Ooh, okay, don't do that. There it is, Life of a Polish Maker, making a mess. Totally. Clean that up a little bit. There we go. Try that again. That was a big flake. I think that's what did it. Really pretty. It's pretty. Yeah, I think we have enough for one more. Perfect. There you go. Once again, this was from Glitter Unique's box called Life of a Polish Maker. Here's those ones that we just created, and here's the one that I made a couple weeks ago. Very pretty. Love the color. Great for this holiday season. Be awesome as a gift or for yourself. There you go. Once again, this is called Abyss Kiss. Get all this stuff out of the way here. There we go. Thanks for joining me on this segment of Make Polish with me. And come on back. We'll do it again. You guys have a good rest of your day. Bye.